Right, so we've had some questions about manifolds, right? This is a 2-inch oval tubed absolute monstrosity, but it works. Okay, that's a stock head plate that I've welded to it, and I've cut off all the tubing, and then like have a 45 off here, goes along there, sweeps up to the turbo, and then all around where cylinder 1 meets it, that's all smooth, and then it goes up there and all that. It's effective actually for what it is. And then we have the first attempt. This is absolutely awful. Basically this pipe is too thin, so when you start pushing some serious power, all it does is give and then crack. Again, this is a stock head plate, and this is off a V8, one side of a V8, and we use this and then just like welded on a whole load of horrible rusty old stuff. Really, I mean, it's a state. It was a first attempt, but it helped us get the positioning right for the later one, which we've got here. But we do need to do a lot more refinement on it. It's just obviously I've now got to do an engine swap, and kind of on low on the list of priorities right now. If you want to make one yourself, you just get like one of these head plates off like the tubular manifold. You can get them for 70 quid off eBay, cut the pipes off, shave down the head plate, and then start welding tubing to it where you want it and build it up from there. But yeah, always TIG weld it, because MIG it'll crack. My TIG welding is not exactly the nicest, but it certainly stopped all the cracking issues that we had, and also it helps if the timing's slightly advanced as well, so that it doesn't like cook the absolute hell out of it. An overall shot of how the turbo sits.